What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We got a little mishap that happened to the Lexus. As you can see, the shitty plastic part of the intake's missing. Well, turns out this piece has a little heat shield. It faces the exhaust. Eventually, I guess it just gets so hot, and if you're hitting two-step, the little pops vibrate through the intake, or back through the intake, and it'll blow it apart. So we got her all epoxied up. That's what this shit right here is. And then I got some duct tape holding it together. We're gonna get that sorted. But yeah, it barely made it home the other night. And there's a supercharger off the Reaper. I want to get it ported, but we might not. We might just put it back on, because I gotta get a transmission built for that thing right now. But yeah. So, going over here, see the beamer is off the ground again. Click, and oh, look at that. That's a 6-speed. And a diff, and axles, and rear hub assembly, and drive shaft. So we got everything here to do a full 6-speed conversion on the single turbo 335i. The automatic trans did not blow up or whatever, but when this thing's turned up, yeah, we do drive around with it on 21 pounds on 93. We had 110 octane in it one night, and we were driving around on like 28 pounds, 26 pounds, something like that, racing some people and whatnot. There's the auto over there. Harbor Freight came in clutch with that thing, and actually works really well. Other than when you're underneath the car, you can't really strap that thing onto it. It doesn't make sense, but that's stupid. Here's clutch pedal, gas pedal down here. Fucking camera. Yeah, gimbal, don't freak out. Come on, you got this. Yeah, we got all this stuff. This is the factory. Yeah, this thing right here, the thing I'm kicking. It's a factory dual mass. See how it kind of has a little, yeah. It's got the adjustable springs on top, self-adjusting. We are not using this. We got something pretty rad. I'm about to go upstairs and open that box and show y'all. Yeah, these big boy transmissions, whoop, wrong way. They're supposed to hold, I want to say 700 torque. So 700 torque. And we're gonna weld that diff. That diff's getting welded. Yeah, so the fast streetcar BMW is going to become a drift car. So yeah, there's talk of getting rid of the teal S13 with the 1JZ in it. I mean, whoop, yeah, this thing, that paint, that powder coat is pretty. Yeah, he's talking in like he may get rid of the car with this in it and all of it running, just because the value of the cars are up so high right now. It's ridiculous. Like a 1JZ S13, pretty good condition coupe with a, I mean, our paint job's not 10 out of 10, but it's still nicer than most. We could probably get some money for it. Ooh. Little froggy right there. Look at that. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs before I get too ADD on y'all. Boop.
I told you I was about to die.
Shut up! I'll give you some cool ass stickers for this DKM shit. So this is the dual or twin disc clutch flywheel all that shit for the BMW. The alignment tool for this thing is pretty cool. Comes with some badass hardware. Zach hadn't even looked in this box yet. He's ignoring me. I'm opening all this shit without him. Holy fuck, that's heavy. I don't think I can get this out by myself. Because it's like assembled. Yeah, the whole thing's assembled inside the box. Really? Yeah, it's not separate. Well, they're in there. I can't pick it up. Really? Well, not. It's just that you can't really get a hold on it, and it's in this bag. I don't want it to fucking. I don't want it to get. Moisture on it and shit. You'll have rust spots on your brand new clutches. Whoa. Oh yeah, it comes with its special fucking throwout bearing. I guess it's like an adapter. Yeah, so this clutch is like $1,600 something dollars. Was it 800 torque?
Like 675 torque.
675 torque. So.
Stage 3 DKM.
Yeah, stage 3 DKM. Pretty much. This is one of the. I mean, it is one of the lower stages for the twin disc, but that's torque rating. And I don't think we're around 650 torque. So we should be pretty Gucci and even have some room to turn the car up after we get a turbo better suited for making it into a drift car. So this is like some crazy ass ATF / manual trans fluid. Currently you can use it in both, and this shit is like the best stuff on the market. It just isn't economy friendly. Look at me go, I'm a salesman. Sponsor me. Because I'm broke.
You didn't say it came from ECS though.
Yeah. ECS, sponsor me. And Zach, because he buys everything. I'm just the broke one of this videos. Because we bought all kinds of shit from y'all. Just saying. The $1,600 clutch on a Jay-Z based channel that's going in an N54. Sponsor us, because our name makes sense. Psych. But yeah, we're gonna get moving on that. Oh, and pretty much have the whole trans ready to go in. Just figuring out how to wire it is the only thing. Well, not wiring it. Writing the program. Isn't that? You have to write the manual transmission into the computer? Yeah, since ours is automatic. Yeah. So writing the computer program, we're probably gonna have someone come out and do it. Well, Zach says he's doing it, but he's got some figuring to do. Because we don't know about how it's done exactly yet, since we've never done it before. So learning procedure, but if we do it, we're gonna make a video on it so everyone knows how to do it. So we'll definitely let y'all know what's coming up next. But we already have the automatic trans out. Looking to get Wisefab and Feel True coilovers, right? Yeah. Sadly, those are not super expensive, but it's like honestly the best things you can get for these cars. And then you just have a really good setup after that, like a pro setup pretty much. You could run this car in Pro-Am, no problem. It already makes enough power. But